I'm not a weatherman, but I've got to tell you about the weather. One of the reasons many people move to Austin is because of the mild climate in the wintertime. It's the very end of December, and today the temperature is going to be mid-80s. Crazy, mid-80s. It is mild in the wintertime. Yes, we have cold, but it's mild most of the time. That's why people love Austin. In just a minute, I want to show you this home. It is over 4,600 square feet. It's located on 1.5 acres in the gated community of La Ventana. La Ventana is in Driftwood, and Driftwood is just southwest of Austin. So let's take a look. You're going to enjoy this home. Welcome, and thank you for joining me on today's tour. I'm excited to show you this new build, recently constructed and priced at $2,295,000. This home has 4,678 square feet of living space and features 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths. I'm Larry Tardy, and I create videos like this each and every week to showcase beautiful homes and the lifestyles around Austin. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tour. This home is located in the gated La Ventana community in Driftwood. Most new construction here is toward the back of the neighborhood, which means a longer drive to the front gate. But this property sits on a 1.5 acre lot just a minute or so from the entrance, giving it great convenience for getting in and out of the neighborhood. Special thanks to Tim Landy, the listing agent, for allowing me to put this video together. This home offers privacy and incredible hill country views from the back of the home. I love the thoughtful horseshoe design that centers the kitchen and living area, creating an open, inviting space for family and friends. Don't miss the butler's kitchen, seamlessly connected to the main kitchen. It's a standout feature in this home. And the backyard? It's just waiting for the new owners to build their dream pool. It's perfect for entertaining and enjoying the Texas Hill Country lifestyle. I'll stop talking in just a minute, but I want to be sure you know to check out the description below for the details on the high-end kitchen appliances, the room dimensions, and more. And make sure you stick around until the end. I want to take you to an iconic barbecue spot in the Hill Country just minutes from here. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'll be back soon. When in La Ventana, you must stop by Sonder Coffee Lounge. But today, I want to take you to Salt Lick Barbecue. A Texas Hill Country favorite, Salt Lick Barbecue is just minutes from this home. Lisa and I often meet people who are new to Austin, and one of the first things on their bucket list is trying Salt Lick. It's no surprise. Salt Lick has been serving up slow-cooked barbecue since 1967. There's something special about the all-you-can-eat family-style meals enjoyed with your friends and family. Whether you're craving tender brisket, fall-off-the-bone ribs, or their famous potato salad, Salt Lick delivers an unforgettable hill country experience. Even if you show up with a long line, they can serve hundreds of people and the line normally goes pretty fast. If you're in the mood for barbecue, make sure Salt Lick is on your list. I'll put the link in the description below. If you want more information about this home or any home in the greater Austin area, just send me a text or email and we'll set up a time to chat. I love Austin and I love helping families and individuals relocate. This is what I do. Let's find home. If you are still watching, thank you. Lisa and I love capturing on video some of Austin's great homes to share with individuals like you. I post videos like this one each and every week, so if you want to see more, just subscribe, like, share, comment. I'd love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you on our next tour.